Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to use Shortcuts app in iPhone and create shortcuts. So basically, go ahead to your app store, Google Play, and then just try to find the shortcuts right here. Okay, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna just download or make sure that you have the app on your iPhone. Okay, now shortcuts, if you want to know how to use it, basically shortcuts lets you perform an action or a string of actions through a single button or voice command. All right, now in order to create one, you're gonna just go back to your screen and then go ahead to your shortcuts. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and just go and create a new shortcut by clicking the plus button at the top, right? Okay, and now we're gonna add a new name for that shortcut, right? If you wanted to add a new name. Okay, so in my case, I'm gonna click rename and I'm gonna just type test. Okay, that's the name of that shortcut. Right now, in order to add new shortcut, I'm gonna just go ahead and add action right here. Okay, and basically based on my action, I'm gonna choose whether ask ChatGPT, start a new chat, a new alarm, or set a timer, FaceTime someone, whatever it might be. So I'm gonna choose right here FaceTime, right? And I'm gonna just go ahead and select the person that I used to FaceTime with. All right, now if I wanted to add another order, okay, you're gonna see right here next action suggestion, right? You're gonna see FaceTime, choose from the menu, wait to return, and you can just go ahead and click the plus button if you want to add another contact right here, right? Or you could just replace that person with another one, right? And basically after you add that person name, right, or that we just type their name on my, okay, that one, I'm gonna just add that one, and then I could just go ahead and click the plus button right here to add someone else for my contact number. So let's have an example, mom, and then I'm gonna hit done right here. Basically, if you want to add plus button right here to add another contact, just go ahead and do it on your own time. And after you finish, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just hit done right here at the top right. Now that order will be run as soon as you click the three dots right here. And basically after you've done doing it, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just hold that order right here, and then if you want to move it somewhere else, if you want to add details, or if you want to edit something, you could just do that on your own time. Basically whenever you start an order that you want to call someone, you could just go ahead and start a conversation with that person. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.